Top of the morning to you. Looks like the Keebler Elves didn't do anything for me last night, so they're all fired. And Rosie the maid didn't clean anything up, so that's up to me too, I guess. Yeah, I guess I'm on this today. I'm gonna get this panel welded up and maybe move on to some better things. We'll see what happens. Wednesday, and it's a glorious day out there, as always. As you can see, it's raining pretty steady, so everything's getting moisturized again. But then again, it'll knock down the frost, so you know, I guess we got to live with it. So, without further ado, I will get on with the action here. Somebody did not push the time-lapse button, so now I got to figure out how to make this panel work time-lapsey. Set that head out of the way. There we go. So not bad. Inside, not bad. I got a gap there, but I'm gonna fill it with a foam roll and a smear of sealant. Not a big deal. Or I'll just weld in a piece from underneath. I did some scraping just because I need to distract my brain from welding a little bit. And I'm putting off grinding. I hate grinding. Yeah, so here I am, or here I'm is. I'm going to go and measure up some seats and see what kind of nightmare that's going to be. This still scares me, so I need to figure that out. Always these little things, eh? Just little details. The devil's in the details, that's what they say. So find a seat, commit to it, reinforce the floor because I want to put some tubing across underneath. So I got to weld it in, and I want to put brackets for mounting the seats, front, middle, back, side, ends, everything. So when I put the seats in, I don't have this silly, I don't know if you can see that. Put it, do this. See it move? I'm not shaking the camera, honest. Look at this. It's bouncy. I don't like that. That's not a floor to me. That's just something to hold paint. Not very structural. So 54 inches across, couple inches down below the back window. I'm gonna go do some checking. I do have a line on some Cavalier buckets. I don't know if they're destroyed or not, but I was told I can have them if I want them, so maybe I'll head down that path as soon as I go check out some others. Not needing upholstery right away would be nice, but I'll deal with that. So it's lunchtime. Let the dog out, and I'm going to conclude my day again, as always. So I want to thank you both for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow. I think I'm pulling the cap. Have a great day.